In today's video, we'll discuss why your Sony TV blinks white and how to fix it. Let's get started. The white blinking light while the TV is powered on indicates that it is booting up. Your Sony TV is programmed to blink with a white light during the booting process. This usually happens when you power up the TV, and the blinking will eventually stop, turning into a solid white or another color, depending on your TV model. If the blinking continues for an extended period, performing a hard reset by power cycling the device should clear the issue. If the TV is already on, the blinking indicates that it is receiving commands from the remote control. This blinking occurs each time you enter a command using the remote. However, not all Sony TVs have this feature. In some models, the LED indicator can be deactivated from the device settings. To do this, go to your device's home screen and select Settings. From the Settings menu, go to Device Preferences, select LED indicator, and toggle off the illuminated LED option. Please note that this process may vary depending on your TV model and the year it was released. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and until next time.